Hey guys, planning your meals for the week is a great way to be, one, more time efficient, but two, increase the likelihood of adhering to balanced, whole, fresh, homemade meals. Now, here are 3 easy steps to follow to help you be more successful when it comes to meal planning. Pick one day every week you can commit to planning your main meals and snacks for the following week. That's step number 1. Now, to help with this, our family meal planner is the perfect tool. If you haven't got a copy, just ask myself or Jamie or drop us an email. Once you've planned for the week, your snacks and meals, you've now created a template that you can adjust from week to week with minor tweaks, different recipes to suit you and your family. I want you to keep it visible, so somewhere like the fridge is the best place to keep it. Now, this will also become your shopping list for the week to ensure that 1, you don't overbuy, or 2, end up brow shopping and save some money. Now, top tip will be to head to our website, www.primalmovement.com/recipes. We've got a real extensive list of recipes and ideas you can use for yourself or your family. Now, tip number 2 is to include proteins, starches, non-starchy carbohydrates, and fats. All of these food groups are incredibly important, so plan them with each meal and snack. And the third tip is batch cooking. Now, for us, picking a certain time in the week to batch cook more than one meal is really, really key. But I want you to start nice and simple. So think about starting in the evening and trying to double batch cook for the day ahead. So what do I mean by this? Now, personally, for myself and Kim, the way we operate is every evening is we will double the quantities, so therefore we've got enough to carry over into the lunch for the next day. Now, this is the most simplest form of this habit, but we can take it up a few notches if needed. To make it a little bit more advanced and a little bit more effective, we can start to pick a time in the week that will allow us to cook more than just 2 meals at a time. But you've got to think about what is feasible, how much time can you allot, and therefore how many meals are we going to get out of it. So another way of doing this would be perhaps on a Sunday and trying to aim to achieve a good 4 meals out of 1 batch cook. Now, here's another tip. If you head to our website and look on the recipes page, you can drag the slider to increase the volume, which will then tell you how much ingredients you need to help with a bigger quantity batch cook. Now, the task for you guys this week is to share your photos of your meal planner fully completed, so every snack, every main meal, and post it in the group. Myself and Jamie will be watching. If you need any support, then you know where to reach out. Best of luck.